How's everyone doing today? This screen might look familiar to a lot of you, very nostalgic for me. I haven't used it in years, but it is Paint, the classic, legendary software. I'm not sure, do they even still update this anymore? I'm not sure. My design challenge today is to make a sports graphic, social media graphic in Paint. Unlike the last challenge, I have worked out a little bit my plan because going into this just without a plan, I feel like would have been disastrous. And maybe that would have been entertaining, but I don't think I would have gotten anything done. I'm gonna make a social media graphic, like a Twitter graphic for a game day for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. I'm gonna try to make a background first, then work on a player cutout, put text over it and then logos over it, the best of my ability. Wait, can you even do multiple documents at once? If I do a new... Oh no, you have to save before you even start a new one. All right, so this is gonna be a little tricky. So I'm just gonna go on Tampa Bay's Twitter real quick and just see some of the work they've done, just so I can just kind of get a feel of what I can possibly try to mimic in a slight way. I'm gonna do my own little design style, but first let's make the background. I think the background being first is a very smart idea. Is there even a place I can put in a color code here, or do I have to use these? So I can implement an RGB code, which is very good. I'll add that to the custom colors. I think that's the pewter. My idea is gonna be black background, and then there's gonna be text and the score and logos right here, and then maybe a player cutout image right here or something. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So let's see what kind of brushes we have to work with. Is there anything cool we can make? That's the biggest we can go, and it's giving me weird cutoff points. Oh gosh. Oh, the airbrush. I don't remember it being this terrible. Oh gosh, that is so cringe. Ooh, okay. So this actually has somewhat of a brush texture. The problem is it's not very big. Now, while I am going to use some images and logos that I find online, I would like to keep everything else just Paint. All right, what if I just do a whoosh, little soft, oh wait, hold on. I got to go this way so it gives that brush stroke. See, it's a nice texture at the end there. Oh yeah, this is gonna be great. I might use Paint for the rest of eternity now, actually. This is so relaxing. All right, I'm just gonna use a big brush to fill in most of the holes. I'm gonna leave some of that black texture in there to give it more of a paint feel. What if I use some of the pewter in here? Does that work? Oh wait. Ooh, I actually love the way the pewter works. What if I do pewter the rest of the way to give the background this paint texture? All right, this might look terrible to some people, and you're like, well, where is he going with this? But trust me, you gotta believe in me. Okay, I don't like that as much, but we're gonna roll with it. I'm gonna try to utilize this airbrush as noise texture. Just some speckle in the background that you'd get, some texture. All right, I'm liking this. Gotta add in that noise, baby. If it's not gritty, it ain't a sports graphic. All right, that's the background. I like it like that, so I'm gonna save it right now as its own separate thing. All right, let's see if I can just rip some photos of the new uniform unveiling. I think using the one with the white jersey will look better on the graphic we're making. Graphic designers will love my terminology I'm using right now. It'll make the jersey pop. I think this is a perfect image because it's kind of going to be smaller, and cutting this out is going to be absolutely terrible. I'm just going to select him, crop that, perfect. And now here comes the fun part, cutting out in Paint. Oh gosh, yes, the quality of the photo is perfect. All right, freeform select. So I'm doing this with my mouse. Oh gosh, I'm already losing control a bit. That's a good chunk. Wait, did it select a square, or can I delete that? What's going on? No. Oh no, I just deleted it. Cutting it? Oh, okay, you have to cut. That makes more sense. Now we have to do that whole selection all over again, and my hand is getting so jittery. Cut. Oh, beautiful. The sharp pixels, that's beautiful. All right, let's do that. Let's come all the way around here and meet back up here, so then I can remove that whole upper area. Wow, it's okay. It's coming along, right? The problem is I hope I can copy and paste him with a transparent background. See, there's always a debate on Twitter. How do you do your selections? And this is the way you're supposed to do it. Everyone's talking pen tool, going into Photoshop using a pen tool, or going into Photoshop and using a quick select and then slightly tweaking it. You guys are missing out on the true way to cut someone out. It's going into Paint and using the freeform selection tool. Oh, that's a nice cut right there. Oh yeah, that's glorious. And then let's just crop it off there. Guys, we have a cutout. I think I'm just gonna go in with a very square eraser tool and just kind of go by each pixel. This is so stressful. Open up, I have to copy him, then open up the background and then paste it in and then hope it pastes in a transparent background. I think this is fine for what we're doing today. All right, I selected the rectangular selection and I checkmarked transparent selection. So hopefully this copies it. And all right, the background is opened. Let's paste. Oh my gosh, it worked. Is there a way to not skew him in Paint? So I just gotta manually do it, I think. Oh my gosh, that's not what I wanted to do. That actually gave a really cool motion effect. All right, I like that. I like that a lot. Boom. All right, guys. All right, we're making some progress. We're gonna go around and make a shadow. Make it look like he's giving off a shadow. I know. This is so MLG Paint. This is gonna look bad, isn't it? This is gonna look real bad. We're doing a full send. We're doing it. You can't back down. And we'll see it gets a little bit bigger over here. Guys, I'm making magic. I'm making magic right now. Yep, this is what shadows do. They look like paintbrush over the person. You know what? From a distance, if you look really far, if you squint, if you close your eyes, it looks really good. If we're adding in shadows, you know what that means? We need to add in some highlights, folks. What if I add in like a little brush here, a little shine, nice shine on the helmet. Gotta have his skin sparkly shine from the sweat, all the footballing he's doing. Is that what people say? The footballing? How does that? Oh yeah, folks. This is it. All right, let's add in some logos now. And now we'll paint fill the outside. Okay, it's not great. We can select the logo like this. Oh, that worked as a transparent background. So that was perfect. Do that. I think I need to come in a little bit more. You know what? I'm gonna do it right there. See, it's only about 5 pixels. All right, now it's time to test out how fonts work. So type in Game Day. Oh yeah, perfect. Make it white. Oh gosh, Paint can't even load in the fonts correctly. We got this sick font called Awakening. Oh yeah, that looks great. I like it. Now can we move this? Please tell me I can move it. Okay. I'll line it up like this. I'm not even sure if this is a good way to do it. Okay, I like it. What if now, hear me out. If I use a little brush and I whoosh, and we'll put the date and time there for the game. All right, let's look up the schedule so I actually have a correct game. Carolina Panthers at Tampa Bay, week 2, Sunday, September 20th, 1 p.m. Let's find something a little bit more structured. All right, I'm getting the orange. 255-121. Ooh, 255 was there. It actually wasn't too far off. Let's remove the 2020. Oh gosh, this is the worst part so far. I'm shocked that this is the worst part. All right, let's see what that looks like. Not great. Not great, Bob. Boom. And I'm gonna use the orange. That might actually be a little bit too big. Let's try 50. All right, I like that. Okay, we can work with it. All right, we have that brought in the Bucks logo from Chris Creamer, sportslogos.net. Hell yeah, shout out. Make sure you're transparent. Perfect. I'm gonna drag you out. Beautiful. Awesome. And we're just gonna place you down like that. Maybe we can make you a little bit bigger. How about that? Yeah, like that. Don't look at my mess over here. It'll be fixed. Why wasn't transparent selection clicked? Oh, that got, so I was right. It just wasn't turned on. Why does it keep turning off? Okay, my artboard is getting insanely messy, but we're making some progress here. They use the Go Bucks hashtag, so I think we can maybe add that in a little bit somewhere. Put it there at the bottom, Go Bucks, and now we can, oh my gosh, I forgot I had this logo there. Now we can crop it down. Boom, just like that. We have a game day Twitter graphic for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Everything done in Paint. We have the brush background. We have the airbrush noise in there. We have the player cutout. We have the player shadow and the player highlights. Logos, all the font treatment, all done in Paint. From start to finish, that took an hour. So, because oddly enough, the player cutout didn't take me that long of a time. The text treatment and working with the images and transparent backgrounds was the worst part. But I'm actually super happy with how it turned out, actually. All right, full screen. It actually looked less pixelated in Paint. I guess the export in Paint is terrible. Hey guys, it's Future Dylan. I'm editing the video and I just realized now I misspelled September and I used the wrong Bucks. I'm an Ohio State Buckeyes fan, so I'm so used to typing in B-U-C-K-S. But hey, these mistakes are hilarious and I think they fit the Paint theme. So I guess I'm leaving them in, but I'll let you get back to the video now. So in retrospect, I definitely would have worked a little bit larger had I known the text would have looked this bad, because I think that's the worst part of the whole graphic is this text right here. The logo outlines and the detail text is probably the shoddiest stuff. Actually, this logo up here, we probably didn't need that. I could probably go over that again. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it quits there at the 1 hour mark. This was surprisingly actually pretty fun to go back and paint. Not sure if I recommend it because I may have regressed in my Photoshop skills now, but I hope you enjoyed watching on this little weird challenge. If you want to give it a shot, I don't recommend it, but if you want to, go ahead, do that and send it to me on Twitter. I would love to see what people can do on Paint. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was my second design challenge. I'm gonna keep this up every Monday, just do something different every single time. If you have any specific challenges you'd like me to try, like literally any idea, like I'm gonna be doing a design blindfolded soon, literally any crazy idea you have for me to try, leave it down in the comments. I'll see what I can do. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, if you disliked it, let me know down in the comments. I'm always looking to get better. Stay safe, everyone. Peace out.